California Standard Test, question 51 to 60. So let me start with the question number 51. Okay. So question, what is the value of x is if minus 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 7. So minus 3 times x plus 2 is equal to minus 7. So minus 3x, if we simplify this one, is equal to minus 7 minus 2. So x minus 3x is equal to minus 9. Then x is equal to 3. Okay, so answer will be C here. Okay, let me go over question number 52 now. Let me scroll a little bit here. Okay, join, clear this one first. Okay, so join needs $60 for class trip. She has $32. She can earn 4 hours, $4 an hour mowing alone. If the equation shows this relationship, how many hours must John work to have the money she needs? So this is the equation of is 4h plus 32 is equal to 60. Is simple, right? You just make, okay, so 4h is equal to 60 minus 32. So 4h is equal to how much? 28. So h is equal to 7. So answer will be A. Question number 53. What value of x satisfy the equation 4x plus 2 is equal to 22? So 4x is equal to 20 because 2 goes on that side and it become negative. So 4x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Okay, so x will be answer will be B. Question number 54. A duck flew 18 miles per hour for 3 hours. Then at 15 miles per hour for 2 hours, how far did duck fly in all? So 18 miles per hour times 3 hours, that is equal to 54 miles, and 15 miles, 15 mph miles per hour, that is 2 hours, so 30 miles. So total that duck flew is 84 miles. Okay, so answer will be D. Question number 55. Janita earns $36 for 3 hours work. At that rate, how long would she have to work to earn $720? So 30 if she worked for 3 hours. Okay, so the equation for the question number 55 looks something like this. So if she wants, she can earn $36 in 3 hours. How much is required to get the $720? Okay, so that's the equation. So the answer will be 720. This one will go on the top, divided by 36, that goes in the bottom, and times 3, and once this remain on the top. So 2 and 20 times 3 is equal to 60. Okay, so answer will be C. You can let me clean this thing up here. Another way you can solve this one by using the ratio here. So for example, 36 3 is equal to 720 times how much? Okay, so which number I multiply both sides, so it can equal to this side. So if I do 36 20 is to 3 times 20 is equal to 720 times question mark. So this will be 720, that is matches with here, and then 60. Okay, so 60 hours is equal to 720 and 60. Now they both matches here, so answer will be 60. So answer to question number 55 C. 56, the distance a spring stretches varies directly with the force applied to it. If 7 pound weight stretch a spring a distance of 24.5 inch, how far will the spring stretch if 12 pound weight applied? So you can do it two way. So if 7 pound applied, the distance is 24.5. So how much is the 12 pound? What is the distance? Okay, that's the nice kind of hard here to get what number you multiply this 7, so you can get 12. So in let's say 7 distance of swing very directly with the 7 pound weight stretches and 24. So the 24.5 inch. So it's around like if you multiply around let's say 1 point, okay, let's say 12 divided 7 5 around 1.7. Okay, so if you multiply this 24.5 times 1.7, so that will be around like 24.5 times 7, so that will be around like 42 inches. That will be the answer. It's like yeah, so answer will be C here. That is the closest number. Other numbers are very small or big. The other way you can solve this question is like let's write the equation. So if I apply the 7 pound pressure, spring extend to 24.5, so how much will it expand if I apply 12? So it can be right 12 by 7 times 24.5 divided by 1. So if you do this equation, let's say 7 around like 3 point something, 3 point, I don't have a calculator, but around like say around 3.4 something, and if you multiply this number, that's around like 42 inches. Okay, so that's the answer to question number 56 will be C. Let me clean this board here. Okay, let's go to question number 57. Marsha's car get an average of 28 miles per gallon of gas. She plans to drive 200 miles today and 220 miles tomorrow. How many gallons? So that's pretty simple. You need like Martha needs to drive total 200 plus 220 miles. That is like 420 miles, and the average is around 28. So 420 divided by 28. So that will be around like let's say if I have 14, 30, so around 15 gallons. So answer will be A. Okay, let's go question number 58 now. Mr. Callaway needs to purchase enough grass seed to cover 3,000 square foot lawn and 4,200 square foot lawn. So total lawn is around how much? 7,200. If 40 ounce cover grass of 2,400 square feet, how many ounce? So 70. So you can write the equation something like this. 24. Okay, let's see, 2400 square foot of the lawn covered by 40 ounce. So how much you require to cover 7200 lawn? So 7200 divided by 2400 times 40 divided by 1. So this will be 3, around 60. Oops, I made something wrong here. Okay, 3 times 40, 120. Sorry about that. 120. Answer will be C. The another way to think about this question is like, let's say ratio of 2400. That to cover 2400 you need 40 ounce. So how much so this is area, this is ounce, this is area, this is missing. So if I multiply both by 3 here, so this will be 7200, this will be 120 is equal to 7200, 120. So that will be the answer. Okay, so that's the answer to question number 58. Now let's go over question number 59. Okay, Mr. Ogata drove 276 miles from his house to Los Angeles at average speed of 62 miles per hour. His trip home back took 6.5 hours. How did his speed on the way home compare to his speed on the way to Los Angeles? So let's see, when he was driving, he drove like so let me write down the question number 59. Total 276 miles, and then he drove at 62 miles per hour. So 62 miles per hour from house to Los Angeles. Okay, and okay, so how much mile per hour he drove? Around like around 6.5. I mean, okay, let's see how much time it takes. So 62 around 4, right? So around 4.5 hours he took to drive over there. Okay, and when he come back, the distance is same, 276 mile, and then but this time he took 6.5 hours. Okay, so this is miles. So if I divide this one, then okay, so let me think about this one. 276 mile per hour. He 207 miles house and speed of 62 miles per hour. So that takes around like how much? Say 276, 62. Oops. 276 276 divided by 62, around 4.45 hours. So that is correct. And then when he coming back, let's see, his trip home took 6.5 hours. So 276 divided by 276 divided by 6.5, so 42.46 miles per hour. Okay, so when he was driving, he drove around at a speed of 62 miles per hour. When he come back, it was around like 42 miles per hour. So difference is around like 20 miles. He was slower. Okay, yes, so answer will be, let's see, C. No, it will be D, because that one is slower. When he's coming back, he was driving at only 42 miles per hour, and the answer will be D here. This was a little bit tricky. I don't know how many kids can solve this kind of problem in the exam, but okay, so that was a 59. The last question is 60. How many millimeters are in 20 centimeter? That is very simple. 1 centimeter, in 1 centimeter there are like 10 mm. So how many in 20? centimeter. So 20 times 10 is equal to 200. Answer will be C. So hopefully you learned from this video, and thanks for watching. If you want to find out the answer to the question of the other question, like remaining 61 to 80, and before that, you can watch my other video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.